On a daily basis, a woman is shamed and judged for her looks, weight, complexion और behavior. चाहे वो कोई भी लड़की हो, किसी भी ऑफिस में काम करती हो या कोई भी स्कूल में पढ़ती हो. But most of the time, it's a celebrity or a television actress who are slut shamed, body shamed, fat shamed, God knows what not. Some were trolled for exposing too much flesh, while others were shamed for being too skinny or overweight. You know what is scary? That it doesn't surprise us. हम सबको पता है ये हर जगह होता है and we do nothing about it. But what is great is that the celebrities in question didn't take the negativity lying down. In fact, they were bold about their choices and gave fitting responses to that role. So here we have the list of celebrities who were shamed by trollers. Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma is one of the longest running TV show in the history of Indian television. One of the actors who has achieved a lot of fan following because of the show is the character Babita Ji, which is played by Munmun Dutt, and she has millions of followers on her Instagram account. Munmun is very active on social media, which has helped her photos go viral on internet. So back in October 2016, she had shared some pictures of herself wearing Indian ethnic wear. The photo received lakhs of likes, thousands of comments. However, one jerk tried to go beyond the limit by asking her the following question. Munmun Dutt is someone who cannot ignore such comments, so she made up her mind of giving a mouth-shutting reply to the hater. Even though she used abusive language, there are some perverts who don't understand a decent tone, and this is the only way to teach them a lesson that they don't forget for a lifetime. Sonam Kapoor shared a funny picture of hers on her Instagram account where it looks like that she's flipping the middle finger. However, the troll on her account have found something more derogatory to say on her physical appearance. Many are writing on her Instagram timeline saying that she has grown physically in terms of her breast size. A few of them shamelessly started congratulating her husband Anand Ahuja for doing a wonderful job. Unsurprisingly, this kind of comment filled with sexual connotation is quite expected from the trolls. I think if Sonam Kapoor wants to reply to these trolls, then her hand gesture is the perfect response for it. Actor Malaika Arora has become the target of trolls, say it her yoga asana or her relationship with Arjun Kapoor. One time she was spotted by paparazzi along with her son Arhan Khan outside a Mumbai restaurant while Malaika was seen donning an all-white outfit with a plunging neckline, and her son was spotted in casuals. The picture soon made its way to social media, and this is what people commented. Okay, fine, you think when she wears decent clothes nobody trolls her? Then look at this. People have not only judged her on her relationship with Arjun, but also made fun of her age. Next is the Bollywood actress Taapsee Pannu, who was seen with Jacqueline Fernandez and Varun Dhawan in Judwaa 2. When she was promoting a movie, Taapsee posted a couple of stills from her song Aato Sahi, where she was wearing a bikini in the photos. Watching a famous woman taking uninhibited pride in her body and showing it off was too much to handle for several social media watchdogs, and they wasted no time in letting Taapsee know how they felt. Often, when faced with situations like these, famous women tend to simply ignore the trolls, hoping that they'll eventually tire of the wall of silence and go away. But Taapsee is not like others. She decided to show the sexist commentator their place in her own style. Cyberbullying is something that everyone is aware of and is witnessed on a daily basis. Despite the fact that we are living in the modern 21st century, women are still slut shamed and slammed for their choices of outfit. There are trolls to constantly remind them ये भारतीय संस्कृति के खिलाफ है. I just want to ask them, giving rape threat and abusing people for their choices is भारतीय संस्कृति?